doing? I hope everyone's doing good. I hope everyone's having a good day. Literally wearing this pajama shirt with my workout stuff underneath because I have to work out soon. But today we're gonna be making some Mediterranean sweets. I know. And yeah, let's just get right into it and not make a long intro because no one cares. The two things we're making today are gonna be ashta. No. I should wash my hands. I just literally spit all over them. I'm back. Okay. It just looks like a pancake. It's got pistachio on it. It's really good. We're gonna make that, and then we're gonna make some, it depends on where you are, but what we call it is hirisi, so we're gonna make that. I'm gonna start out with the batter for al-tayyef because that needs to rest for 30 minutes, so we're gonna do that first. I have everything I need laid out on my countertop here, so we're all good. We have about 2 hours because I'm going to a sort of a lunch with my family members, so I'm just gonna bring these over. Anyways, okay, 1 cup of flour is going in here. I'm going to leave links to the actual recipes down below. We need 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, a half a teaspoon of instant yeast, so I got that right here. I was talking to my cousin the other day yesterday about this thing that I do where like I change my voice depending on who I'm talking to, and I do not like it at all. Like it's just like, it's so chill, it's like not even a big deal. Like right now, I'm like my regular voice, I'm like fine. But sometimes you'll catch me like talking to somebody and I'm just like, of course, no, for sure. Like, I don't talk like that. At least it's not just me. Do you guys do that too? Maybe, no. We need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt as well. I have my salt right here. Let's add in the salt. Let's just mix up the dry ingredients. And I wanted to ask you guys, actually I've been meaning to ask you, if you've been liking the videos. Like I'm trying to like post consistently now, but let me know if you're liking them, if you want like a specific type of video. I'd love to do that. Yeah. So now that I just kind of mixed up the dry ingredients, I have some warm water here that I have to add to here. So it says that it has to be like a pancake mix, but thinner than that. And also guys, I did make this recipe, the fried ones, yesterday, and they were really good. I'll leave a picture right here, but honestly follow my Instagram if you want to see like the recipes that I make and stuff. What else is new? How many times have you come to my channel and watched me like panic bake? So we're gonna leave that for 30 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna start on the other thing that we're making, which is hirisi, or some people call it basbousa, but I call it hirisi because I'm Lebanese. Okay! On to the second recipe. You know what's nice about making 2 recipes? If one doesn't work out, maybe the other one. So we're gonna get a giant pot for this, or a giant bowl. Okay, so the butter is melting. We need to add in the sugar and the yogurt. So here I have my melted butter that I have to put in here. That's it. That's literally it, what the heck? That's it, oh my god. This seems way too thin, so I feel like I need to add a little bit of dry ingredient. Okay, so I thickened it up a little bit. I added like less than a cup of flour and less than a cup of semolina. This is the second time that I make this actually, and both times now I'm seeing that it just feels like it's way too thin. We want it to cook, right? I mean, like if it's not gonna cook, then like, just pour it in. We're ready to make the pancake part, and as you can see, I took off my shirt because it's so hot in here. Yeah, exactly. So I have my pan on like medium heat, and I have my batter. I'm just waiting for it to heat up a little bit, but. Yeah, we made fried ones yesterday. They were so good. There we go. Great, it's perfect. This is the ashta that I made yesterday, so I just had it in the fridge. I'm just gonna spoon a little bit on there. Okay, and literally you just go like, you gotta pinch the ends like this, and it just sticks together. And then you get the filling coming out that way. And then you just gotta, and pistachios. I'll show you guys once I start assembling everything else. And there you go. It looks so good. Also, I did make this syrup yesterday. It's so easy. It's just like sugar and water. 1 part water, 2 parts sugar. Yeah, this ashta is definitely a lot thicker than the other one. Alright guys, I finished up. It made about, I put them all in this glass bowl here, but it made about 13 pieces. They weren't all measured properly and I messed up like 2 of them, but this is what they look like. And I do have syrup like I mentioned before, so I'll put that beside them, but I'm not gonna put the lid right on them right now because they're still warm. The second ashta is definitely different than the first ashta, so I don't know. We'll see which one tastes better. Okay, we're actually doing really, really well for time. There's a whole bunch of dishes that I have to do though from everything. My husband was doing them and then he got called to fix the electricity for someone. So right now I'm just making this syrup for the hirisi. So we got 1.5 cups of sugar. Just making it in a teapot because literally everything is used up right now. We need 1 3/4 cups of water. I'm just gonna cut a little bit of lemon. Here's a little bit of lemon that we need. Oh, okay. Here's a little bit of lemon. 1 short cinnamon stick. Are you ready to see if the hirisi worked out? I'm low-key scared though. We can't take the upline for anywhere I've heard of.
Does that take home?
Yeah.
No, is it? Yo, how do I?
Oh my god, it worked! 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 Did I do the top of it? No, look at how beautiful that is. That's gonna be the thumbnail. Okay, so basically it says that I should pour the syrup on top of it. The syrup has to be cold. So let's just keep this in the warm oven. See, good thing. Good thinking that I put extra flour in there, you know? Okay. How should I cut it? 1. It up to this design here, which is really nice, and we put the syrup in the middle. It's looking real nice. I'm just getting ready. As you can see, I changed my outfit. I don't know if this is even nice or not. I just kind of like threw it together. Makes such a difference when you do your eyebrows. For my eye makeup, I'm not gonna do anything wild. This brown eyeshadow that I'm just gonna do a little bit of eyeliner on my top lid. I'm actually really happy with how they turned out. I'm really excited to taste everything, especially that cinnamon syrup. I literally hate wearing makeup. Like, if I feel that there's makeup on my face, I don't like it. I don't know why. I have this issue with like, I feel like you can't really do anything when you have makeup on your face. I don't like to work out when I have makeup on my face, so I try to like put it on after and stuff. I think I'm gonna do a slicked back. Every time I'm running late, I know it's bad for your hair, but I just do like a slicked back bun. Alright, so there's the bun, and then I just take literally anything, like a styling cream, a gel, whatever. I'm just taking a gel oil right now from BB Curl, like a little bit, just to like slick it back. This is so bad for your hair. I got these for my birthday from my cousin. They're like really cute scrunchies from Lebanon. If anyone's interested, I'll leave down the Instagram account in the description, but it's so cute. These are also from here. They're handmade. And see ya. Thanks for watching the vlog. Bye.